Meron po siyang dede pero hindi lang po malaki. But why you all people can't normalize how big or small the boobs of women? Tama nga naman. Hey girlies, let's talk about something real quick. Alam nyo ba na everybody is unique and everybody is beautiful. And alam nyo rin ba girlies na hindi yan ang nagde-determine ng worth natin bilang isang babae ang pagkakaroon ng maliit or malaki mang hinaharap. At kahit maliit yung hinaharap mo, pwede pa rin tayong maging confident. Kahit hindi ganun kalaki, kaliit, or sobrang laki, pwede pa rin tayong maging confident. Tsaka hindi naman to about sa size. It's about how you feel about yourself. You can rock any outfit, any style, and still look amazing. And for those with bigger boobs, you know what? You can pull off some amazing looks too. Pero remember, it's not just about the physical appearance. It's about the personality, the attitude, and the confidence. So girlies, let's focus about being confident and loving ourselves. Flaws and all, huwag na tayong magkumpara sa iba. Kasi everybody's different. And that's what makes us beautiful. You are more than your body, more than your boobs. You are